Hey everybody, I'm gonna tell you how to increase the views on your videos that you get. Alright, first thing to do is for your video, for tags, try putting some famous usernames that you know of, such as Ray William Johnson, Smosh, yeah, just like any big YouTube channel, put their YouTube channel in the description, so that'll help you get some more views. Another thing you want to do if you have Twitter or Facebook, put it on your status, link your status to your video. Hopefully some people will click on that. I tell as many people as you can to watch them, comment, unless you look like a total retard like I do right now. Then you probably don't want them commenting. Please don't comment. If you want to comment, be nice. Be nice! If you comment, be nice. Anyways, yeah, those few things you can do to get your views up. Other than that, you're pretty screwed. It is also proven that videos that use webcam effects, such as this, get more views. Yay! Hooray! Oh, more! Yay! Hooray! Yeah, see, like that. That'll increase my views on this video, just because it will. And also try and give your video a title that people search up. That's all I can think of. Oh, I'm gonna be honest, I just made this up on the spot. Sean Freeborn. Inside joke.